Why do 80% of Samsung Galaxy users see pop-ups every day? Want to make them disappear for good? Here's your 1-minute fix. First, let's tackle ads in your Samsung Internet browser. Open Samsung Internet, tap the menu, head to Settings, then Privacy Dashboard, and switch on Block Pop-ups. Getting spammy notifications? Go to Settings, tap Notifications, then More. Now, scroll through and disable notifications for those apps that just won't quit. For extra power, use Samsung Internet's built-in ad blockers. Tap Menu, then Ad Blockers, and pick your favorite. AdBlock Plus, AdGuard, you name it. Want to block ads everywhere? Set up a private DNS. Head to Settings, then Connections, More Connection Settings, Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider hostname and type in dns.adguard.com. And if Google keeps suggesting ads, go to Settings, Google, then Ads, and turn off personalized ads. For Samsung's own ads, head to Settings, Privacy, Customization Service, and switch off everything ad-related. Quick recap. Block pop-ups, turn off unwanted notifications, use ad blockers, set up private DNS, and manage ad settings.